Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I don't know about you, but my husband is about the pickiest person I know when it comes to selecting mugs, thermoses, tumblers, any of that kind of thing. He's notorious for buying something and then sending it back. So I was really impressed that he's kept this Funkrin travel mug, so I had to check it out for myself. Number one, it's leak proof. I had to try it out because I wasn't really sure if that claim was going to hold up. But I tossed this thing, I shook it upside down many times. It didn't drip one bit. And he throws it around his construction truck all the time. You can see it's very well loved, but this thing never drips. The other thing is that it actually does keep liquids hot. That's the other thing that my husband hates, is when he puts something in a mug and it's supposed to stay hot, but it doesn't. I did an experiment on this to see if the claims actually held up, and they do. I put 200-degree water in, waited 4 hours, and then checked it, and it was right around 130. That's because the mug is really well constructed. It has double wall vacuum insulation, and it has a ceramic coating on the inside. That was one of the other big sellers for my husband because he doesn't like the way stainless steel tastes when he puts liquid in it. So if you're looking for a mug that's really going to stand the test of time, it's not going to leak, it's going to keep your liquids hot, then you got to check out this Funkrin travel mug. And that's my point of view.